Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can sign up for your Flybuys account. Flybuys is an Australian customer loyalty program equally owned by the Coles Group and West Farmers through joint venture Loyalty Pacific. West Farmers through joint venture Loyalty Pacific. Members can accrue points by shopping at Coles Group brands, certain West Farmer brands, and some third-party partners like HCF Insurance, Coles Express, and Optus. Now, if you also want to create your Flybuys account, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open any web browser of your choice, and there on the URL search for flybuys.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will be directly landed to its official homepage. Now, in order to sign up for your Flybuys account, you have to tap on Join Flybuys button at the top right corner of your screen, and there you will be headed to its sign up page. Now, there are 3 steps to create your Flybuys account. Now, for the first step, you have to type in your first name and the last name. Now, once you're done with it, tap on Next button. And there you have to type in your mobile number. Now, once you're done with typing in your mobile number, tap on Send Verification Code button. And there, in the third step, you will ask to type in the verification code that has been sent to your mobile number. Once you type in the verification number there, your Flybuys account will be created. So that's how easily and quickly you can create your Flybuys account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.